Before we dive into the incredible story of the 1964 Pontiac GTO, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to stay up to date with the best automotive content on YouTube. This is where the legend begins. The 1964 Pontiac GTO, a car that didn't just spark the muscle car revolution, it ignited a fire in the hearts of car enthusiasts that still burns today. In the early 1960s, Pontiac engineers John DeLorean, Bill Collins, and Jim Wongers were looking to push boundaries. They saw potential in packing a high-powered V8 engine into a mid-size Tempest, creating something unheard of, an affordable car with serious muscle. But this wasn't just about horsepower. This was a statement. Pontiac was about to change the game. The 1964 GTO was a beast. With a 389 cubic inch V8 engine, it cranked out up to 348 horsepower. And that meant it could blast from 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds, an impressive feat for the time. Priced competitively, the GTO was affordable for the average car buyer, offering a thrilling performance for a fraction of the cost of high-end sports cars. It wasn't long before it dominated the streets and the drag strips. The GTO wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. From hit songs like Little GTO to its role in films and TV shows, this car became a symbol of freedom, speed, and raw power. And fans started calling it the GOAT. A nickname that perfectly captured its raw, untamed spirit. The GTO's success sparked a muscle car arms race, leading to legendary models like the Ford Mustang, Chevy Camaro, and Dodge Charger. But no matter how fierce the competition got, the 1964 GTO will always be remembered as the one that started it all. It set the tone for an entire generation of performance cars, and even today, its influence is undeniable. The 1964 Pontiac GTO didn't just make history, it became history. The first true muscle car, the one that forever changed American car culture. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment with your favorite muscle car. And of course, subscribe for more legendary car stories.